In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to a page in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just looking to streamline your workspace, adding tags is a game-changing feature that can help keep your projects neatly organized and easily accessible. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effectively set this up. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to your connected workspace for Notion. This is where all your wiki, documents, and project files live. If you're not already logged into Notion, you'll need to click on the Login button. Simply enter your credentials or use a connected service to access your account. Once logged in, you will find yourself on the Notion homepage. It's the central hub of your workspace, where you can see all your recent activity and projects at a glance. From here, you're going to select the database that you want to organize using tags. If you don't have a database set up yet, consider creating one to host related projects or documentation. After selecting your desired database, the next step is to enhance it with tags. Look for the Add Property option. It's typically located on the top section of your database, where you structure your columns or properties. Click on this to open a menu of property types you can add. Here, you're provided with several options. But for tagging purposes, you want to focus on either Select or Multi-Select. Both options allow you to organize information with categories. If you choose Select, you can assign one tag per page or entry. This is useful for mutually exclusive categories like status indicators. Think of using tags like In Progress or Completed. Alternatively, the Multi-Select option allows you to add more than one tag to the same page or entry. This is ideal for projects that span multiple categories, such as adding tags like Urgent and Research simultaneously. Once you've decided which type of tagging system best fits your needs, name this new property Tags. Naming the property makes it easily identifiable at a glance, saving you time when managing multiple entries. Once named, apply your chosen tags to the relevant pages or entries to give your database a much more organized, clean layout. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to add tags to your Notion pages. This small but powerful feature can make a significant difference in how you manage your information. It keeps everything organized, allowing you to focus on the tasks that matter most. Remember to regularly update and refine your tags as your projects evolve to ensure maximum efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!